This video is designed to help you with exercise 120, home on the range. This exercise involves dotted quarter notes like 115 and low notes like 111. Some other things to notice: you have a flat sign in your key signature, which means all of your B's are flat. And you'll see the B's that are 3 lines in the staff, and then you'll see the ones that are underneath the staff. If you look at the second line, fourth measure, you'll see both of them represented. So you have a half note of the B, that's the third line of the staff, and then you have the 2 eighth notes, which are low B flat there. There's B flats all the way throughout, so don't forget that they both are flat. Then you have 3/4 time, which means you have 3 beats per measure. Quarter notes still get 1 beat, and you have a pickup note that starts on a quarter note. And since it's a pickup note, that means that it's going to start on beat 3, because we're in 3/4 time. So when you tap your foot, before you start playing, you'll rest on beat 1, breathe on count 2, and then play that first quarter note on count 3. I've also noticed dynamics. You start forte, move to piano, and then we have slur markings as well. So when you're practicing through it, it's important to also tongue through it. I have my metronome set to 75. I'll demonstrate some tonguing here for you. 1, 2, 3, 1. And if you notice, when I was tonguing, I was also able to adjust my dynamics using my ear. So that's a good reason to tongue through a piece like this, in addition to checking your slurs. It's also important when you're looking over this piece, because it's so long and there can be some tricky aspects, to look ahead and find spots that you think might be tricky for you. Like, let's say, for instance, I don't feel comfortable on dotted quarter notes. I maybe would look at the third full measure of the piece, which starts on a D dotted quarter, and maybe check myself a few times on that before I play the entire piece. I'll demonstrate. D, B flat, B flat. And then once I played it and I feel comfortable on it, then I'd go on and either hit another spot that I feel might be uncomfortable, or go back to the beginning and play through the entire thing. I'm now going to go back to the beginning and play through the entire thing for you, but I highly recommend tonguing through it on your own and making sure you feel comfortable with the rest of it. 1, 2, 3, 1. And that's exercise 120, home on the range.